Welcome, today I am with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q, and if you want to change aspect ratio, at the first you have to go under this LED indicator and click once on the button to open this menu. Next you have to go for the settings, and when you are at the gaming, go for the right, then scroll down to the display mode and go for the right one more time. As you can see here, we got a couple of the options. We got full, we got 1x1, 16x10 and 16x9. So let's switch, for example, for 16x9. So we have to just go down, and as you can see, there's the 16x9. So if you want to stay with this one, you can just simply go back, but of course in my case that's not the best aspect ratio, and I don't want to stay with this one, so I'm going back for the full. Okay, and when you finish, you can just go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.